Ever forget to follow up on a missing billing source document like a local purchase order? Workstair can help. In Workstair, you can easily set reminders to follow up on these documents across quotes, contracts, and jobs. To set a reminder in quotes, navigate to the billing source document section. Enable the Not Yet Received option and set your follow-up date. When the date arrives, a reminder will appear on your dashboard. If the document is still not received by the follow-up date, simply go to the Quote Details page, access the Billing Source Document section, and update the next expected date. In some scenarios, a single contract might include multiple jobs, each needing its own billing source document. In such cases, you can add reminders for each job by accessing the Job Billing Source Document section. This feature is also available in the Contracts module. It ensures you never miss a source document and can invoice on time.